the 17th of July 2020. It is 23 degrees Celsius. We are at Warnham.
That's it. Yeah. Good morning, guys. We're at Warnham Sanctuary. Decided to go for a walk with the family. There's the good old wife. So yeah, to get out, enjoy the fresh air, and hope you enjoy the video. So Warnham Sanctuary is just off of Broadwood Heath and the outskirts of Horsham. So yeah, just enjoy the video and see how it goes. And obviously, guys, we came from that way down there because it's a one way, and they've cut obviously these paths all the way round. So yeah, we just got to take our time. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So obviously when you come here, you've got the mill pond, walnut plant tree, which is that way obviously, and we are going to go across the bridge. So all we've done is come from the main entrance there. There's another entrance there, so where we go. Yeah, and to let you guys know, it is free at the moment. I think normally it's about a couple of quid per adult and about £1.50 per child, but you know, there you go. So, right, here we go. Look, so you've got plenty of signs, as you can see. Keep that way. You've got walnut tree, heron ride, and sandpiper hide. So we're going to go this way. Yes, Casey.
I've got a fact about feathers.
Right, okay, well, talk to me then.
You can put this in ink and then write with it, and ink can even go in pencils.
Nice.
And you can write with them.
Okay.
And that's what I want to talk about with you.
Okay, no worries. Right, we're going to carry on then. So we're going to carry on. So we came from that way, and then we're going to walk this way. Let's go. And we just come across a bat boffery, and there it is, guys. So I presume it's obviously where the bats live.
Go back.
He's just having a quick picture, look.
Matchstick poplars.
There we go, guys. Matchstick poplars. Yeah, so we haven't done this for a while. And obviously here, guys, it's a sign.
You won't be allowed in there.
Why?
I'm talking to the phone.
There you go, so you've got visitor centre. Yeah. We can go and check it. Let's go and have a look then.
Have a look.
Yeah, it's locked.
Ah, okay. So, yeah, we can't get in the heron ride, so obviously that's where you look out on the lake. So, unfortunately, go on in. What's that, Faye?
Stage beat
Stag.
stag beetle lodger.
Loggery.
Loggery.
So here we go, guys. That's what she was saying.
Look,
So,
look, a penny in it. Look, it's a penny.
It's the size of a 20 pence piece.
So you might see him on the woods. I don't know if you can see anything.
What's that? Oh, what's that? I have no idea.
So yeah, that's pretty much their home. So basically, that's where the stag beetles live, in that home. Pretty cool.
We saw something at when we went to a forest and me and Mummy went the right way, then you and Faye
Oh, right, yeah, that's
got
correct,
lost,
yes.
and then we found like one of them beetles, but not one of them ones.
It was a dung beetle, wasn't it,
Yeah.
apparently you saw. Pretty
Yeah, we
cool, though.
did.
Thank you for the information, girl. And we'll carry on, guys. So, yeah, that was a nice little bit of information from Casey there about dung beetles she saw in the New Forest. So, obviously, we're not aware. We've obviously just only come from down there. It was just on the corner where we were talking about dung beetles. Obviously here, guys, is a viewing area, obviously, of the pond and the lakes. You might see the odd birds.
Some butterflies.
Can't see anything at the moment. Right, carry on. We couldn't see a lot there, guys. So obviously that viewing point was only just there. So you go around, boom. So I don't know what quite we were looking for, but there's a lot of people with the fancy cameras. So yeah. Did you see anything, Case?
Just butterflies.
A butterfly. Well, that's good.
Well, then look.
Hmm?
That's like a whole play area. Look.
Well, it's not a play area. It's just a bit of a.
Yeah.
Keep to the right.
So what? Keep over this side. Just mind the stingers.
The right. That's right.
And the trail continues. So yeah, it's quite warm today on a Friday, so quite a lot of the schools today will be breaking up. So we take advantage and get out before, you know, all the schools break up, because obviously different areas will be busier than others. So yeah, so we thought we'd try that out while everyone's still at school. And the kids have done their homework at home for the school, so
Ice skating.
happy days. So they're getting a
How
treat.
do you make that? Like, that thing? Oh, not really. I can't
I
do
should get.
Move it. Cow farts.
A cow farts.
The heck? Or I don't know what that says.
Cow farts are a major contributor of the global warming. I think they're telling a porky piggy, mate. What do you reckon?
Yeah. That is
So yeah, there you
Can
go.
you close it up, maybe?
So these are called ice skatings.
Oh, Dad, look at that bug.
And all the fancy little pictures that.
Ice
Ice skating in Warnham here in the 1900s.
cow farts.
That's
The lake
pretty.
probably froze over and
And also you have little urgents of the farmer Mediterranean species that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, nice. And there you go, it's all to do with the ice skating. Pretty cool. So in the 1900s they did ice skating here on the lake. That's pretty awesome, isn't it?
froze over and
So I think everyone had a fantastic time.
Can I tried to do a nice ice skating as well?
You can do. It can be a very costly exercise though. But we can always look at it, can't we?
Use them like penguins and you just like
Ah, yes, I know what you're on about.
Mummy, when
Again, guys,
there's another bridge.
there's a bridge.
There's another bridge and it goes along there.
That's it, and there's quite a few little signs, look, just to show you guys.
One way
the one way. So yeah, just got to be careful walking across the bridge. You right?
Yes.
You okay?
Yeah.
Right, you're gonna have to wait a minute. So it comes up to like an opening. Oh, you've got to wait for some people. Right, just wait here. Oh, it's not. Come on, guys. And also you got a few of these warning signs. Please turn back. This is not the correct way for social distancing.
How many longer does this?
Nice little area. It's quite cool. Oh, what have we got here?
Water ladybird. It's a water ladybird.
Uh-huh.
Oh, grass snakes defend themselves by full smell from the buttons.
Mm-hmm. And obviously, there you go, guys, out in the distance. It's all...
Daddy, look at the side.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is going.
Sorry, Claire.
It goes in the long way.
Very quiet. It's nice. Ta-ta! And we're coming off the thing again. More signs.
For the owl size, this is the Japanese.
And you come into a little T-junction. Clearly states you've got two options here. You got the long route or you got a short route. So I don't know what we're going to do today, guys.
Long route keeps about short route.
Long
One way
route,
only.
short route.
I don't mind. Whatever you guys want to do.
We've got all day. No long route.
Okay.
Right, we're going. Yeah, so we decided we're going to do the.
Long route.
Let's go. Nice.
Short route, long route. This
Right, so just mind the stings.
one.
Walk to the middles. And away we go. So that was a good.
There's a gate.
There's a gate, yes. Butterfly, look at that.
Two butterflies.
That's all right. They're lovely.
It's fluffy. It was fluffy.
Oh yes. Not quite ready yet, guys. Look. Oh. No, you can't go up that way. Look.
Yes, it is. Look.
No, you can't go through there. We've got to go up this way. Because this here, I'm not quite sure what the forest is called here. But you can also do fishery and all that sort of stuff. But I do believe it's over that way by the golf course. Just take your time. So obviously, guys, we come down there, obviously off the hill. And we turn, and it's going to bring you just up here. It's quite nice. Look at these. And I do believe these are foxgloves. Really nice. Look at them. Really nice. Look at the size of them. So get a perspective. Look. Look at that. So here we go. There, I was correct. Nice. Do like a foxglove. Obviously you can't go through there because that's the wildlife only. And you will see the odd deers. Lovely and quiet. Butterflies, look at them, loads of them. Yeah, look, one right here, look. Ah, he flew off just as I was about to do it. Bless him. Okay. And it comes and the girls just found an opening of some sort. What do you want to do? Go in there?
You can. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's very uneven here.
I think I was his mum.
I think, yeah, you are right, aren't you? Say it again. Yeah, that's right. No, it's up to you. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, guys, just listen. It's beautiful. Just nice and quiet, look. Nobody around. It's beautiful. It's how I like it. I think we're going to sit down here, have a packet of Crispies.
Half of it's got stinging it, man.
We had a little picnic just down there with packed crisp and bits and bobs, and now we come back out, and now we're heading this way. More signs of the distancing, look. One way only.
He lives at the beach. And we live here. Yeah? So we're not at the beach. Is it?
As we come from that way, it's about 2-3 minute walk from where I showed you where we had the picnic. As it comes round, as you can see, the floor is good for wheelchair access and for people that are not very good on their feet. So yeah, I recommend it so far. And obviously we're on the longer walk. Ah yes, look at this. There he is. And obviously already, guys, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll see all these great videos that we're trying to do for our family. I want you to enjoy it. Thanks a lot.
Mommy, can I climb up? It's this way.
And we're carrying on again, guys. If you're not familiar, we've obviously just come from that way. Obviously, where we had the picnic, that's apparently just wildlife only. So here we go. Now we're heading down, and obviously still got to follow the one-way signs. This bit here, guys, a little bit hilly, so be careful with your wheelchairs. Can't go that way, no entry, so we've got to go this way. So they thought it out really, I think. And now back on the bridge again. More signs there. I remember this now. And we remember when the kids were young, we sat here, this nice little viewing area, and we had a picnic here. And I think this is one of Claire's favourite spots.
The forest creatures was over 100 mph fast, but not as fast as frightfully. The US Falcon first fastest drive was 1866 mph.
Ooh, good reading. So guys, if you haven't realised, there's a cow right out in the distance there. There we go, we're showing. There he is. There he is. What do cows do? They moo.
I found the road over there. I saw a truck.
Yep, that's the bypass. So yeah, pretty cool. So guys, and we continue. So yeah, it's quite a warm day actually. I'm glad we got out because me and Claire sometimes we find it a bit difficult at home with things, but so sometimes we just need our little bit of space, so we enjoy these beautiful little walks, and we hope you guys enjoy the loveliness with us, you know. And as I said to you before, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell at the bottom, so every time I upload a video of us and my beautiful family, we want to get as much subscribers as possible, so just please, just keep it going. Thank you very much, and I appreciate everyone that's watching these videos. You guys are amazing. Where? Sure. The girls have said they've seen the dragonfly. Where am I looking? Where? Point. No? No.
We just flew away.
Yeah. Sit. And we have a helicopter in the sky somewhere. There he is.
Daddy, there's lily pads.
Oh, there you go. Nice. And here we go again, guys. Obviously continuing to walk, we've got another seated area here. Again, you have the one-way signs. So yeah, pretty cool. And as you can tell by the floor again, you got obviously like the wooden platforms with like the wire meshing, so maybe when it's wet it might be a bit ooh, but there you go. And obviously if you're an older generation, there's plenty of like little spots here that where you can sit down, just take in the scenery for 5 minutes. And this is pretty much what you're looking at.
This switch is the cold ham ewe, which has stood in the grounds of steel squirrels crunch for over 1,500 years.
Wow, fantastic, really.
500 years.
So it's the ring of life.
Hang on, let this lady through. Go over there.
And off we go again. So there you go, there's another sit area for you guys, as we were saying before. Behind here, I do believe it is the Warnham Golf Club. Well, you can have around, I think it's nine holes. You can probably see, here we go, look. I'll tell you, look, here we go here, guys, look. I don't know if you can see him out in the distance there. There you go, playing, there's a golf cart there, look. Yeah, so not seeing loads of people here. So yeah, so I feel safe. I'm sure Claire feels safe. Do you feel quite safe here, Claire? And there you go, guys, as I said to you before, there's the golf. There you go, look. Guys playing golf through here, look. Just quickly show you. There you go. So I hope you guys are liking these videos. I'm trying to do as much as we can. Obviously, like everybody else, we all don't have lots of money. So we're trying to show you free things to enjoy. That's not going to cost you the arm and a leg. Yeah, so obviously we come from obviously that way. So hopefully the video quality is okay for you. So yeah. So the long route, as far as I'm concerned, is not strenuous. We're not the biggest walking family in the world, and we're doing fine. Obviously again, guys, there's the golf course that, and there's probably some guys out here in the distance. Can't really show you at the moment because I ain't got good enough view. And now you're obviously back on sort of stony. But yeah, so here you go, guys. Be quick. I don't know if you can see through there at all. There's actually golfers through there. There you go, just about making out there. Look. So I couldn't tell you how much the golf is. Wow, look at this. This is called a trihex.
You're not meant to, you don't climb on it.
Hope you guys can see that right. There it is. Very different, isn't it?
Oh.
There's one of them. There's Faye. Right, stay there.
Fell in then.
Put your head through the end of it.
Obviously where we just come from, that sculpture is down there. And now we're coming up here again. And I do believe we've done a complete loop. When there was a couple that was sitting on the post here. So yeah, we've done a complete loop.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes you go round again. So yeah, guys, obviously we're at virtually the start of it again. So we came from the start down there. We went flying up there, and we've gone round a complete loop, and it's brought us back down from this way. It's very nice. And off we go again. So obviously that was the loop we were just talking about just a second ago. We just had a quick drink, and now we're heading back. I wanted to show you a bit of the lake out the front. And obviously there, through there's golf course again. So Casey, what do you think of this walk? You enjoyed it. What about you, Faye? We got thumbs up from the girls, so to me that's a win. I think Claire enjoyed it. And we're nearly back at the start of the film, of the video. Obviously over there, guys, is a nice lake, but you can't.
One way.
So now, guys, we came from that way. We've got to head this way.
Dipping pond.
Huh?
Dipping pond. Just careful, face with water in it.
That's it.
It's underneath all that green.
It'll be all underneath that. It's quite overgrown at the moment, isn't it, guys? So, okay, cool. So obviously we're still sticking to the 2 metre distance guidance and the one-way system. Oh, you got another one. Here, a little platform here. We didn't see that. Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go. Careful as you go down. It's like Daddy's decking, isn't it? See anything in the water?
Is that from flies?
Oh.
It's definitely a small one. It's not that deep. It's not that deep really, but only there is really deep.
Really muddy though, isn't it? Okay, cool. Obviously, if you're not aware, we've come from that way, walked our way around, followed the path. There's a little pathway up here. You've got to come all the way around and carry on up here. So yeah, not one of the most tiring walks ever. So yeah, it's quite laid back actually. People are being quite pleasant. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. And the bonus is, guys, it's free. Obviously we're just trying to watch the blue tits in this little viewing area. unfortunately guys, you will get the odd person that doesn't like people being around because they're very wild, enthusiastic, that's way, and she's taking like professional photos. And we noticed a couple of times we were just watching the birds, obviously, because that's what you can do here. There was a lot of but we're not going to let that spoil us, guys. So please be warned, you will get the odd couples here with obviously the fancy cameras, trying to take professional photos of everything. So that's the only thing we've noticed so far. That's the only downer we've noticed. So to me, it's still a win though. So don't let these people bother you. You enjoy your beautiful walk like we are today. So obviously guys, down there is obviously some sort of new building with a lake, but obviously we can't get round there because we're now obviously having to use the one-way system, and obviously that clearly goes this way. You have to go out this way. Obviously we came from here, so I don't think I'll be able to show you the lake today, unfortunately, unless I can get back out to the front. We'll have a look. So obviously through there, it's golf course again. And just to show you a sign, you're welcome to use the tables at the visitor centre, obviously doing social distancing. And also he brings you out to the front where we started with the car park. So there you go guys, that's the Warnham Nature Reserve, what you can do today.
Thank you for watching our channel. Like and subscribe.
Thanks guys, hope you had a ball. See you later.